It's been a while. In my pursuit of bringing quality content, I realized I was bringing no content. So if the next few videos are bad, then whatever. This will be my first attempt to bring you a 3-part series. You guys know I teach the Taekwondo. And today we will start with the most obvious element of your sparring speed, and that is your physical capabilities. I will go over the most basic and broadest ones. So we'll talk about things like strength, endurance, frequency. I will not talk about flexibility and mobility in this video. Enough talky talk, let's go. All combat sports require a pretty strong base in endurance. You have to be able to operate at peak performance for an extended period of time. And Taekwondo is a pretty high octane sport. If you gas out quick, you'll never get past tying for third at your local tournament. But everyone's a winner, am I right? And steady state cardio is a good place to start. I mean, if you can't even walk your dog without having to yank back poor Fluffy's leash while you take 5 to catch your breath, or if you can't even run 1 mile without taking all these walking breaks to let traffic go through, and you don't have what it takes. These roads, it's sprint time, baby.
It's go time, baby. It's go time, baby. It's go time, baby. It's go time. Oh.
Steady state cardio is a good place to start, but you want to eventually move to doing sprint sets. You want to do sprints because that's more of a fighting pace. And do whatever sprint set you want to do, just make it harder than you actually want to do. Like write a workout down that you think is good and then just add 5 more of everything to it later. Or have someone you don't like write one for you. The point is, if you don't feel like death after a sprint set, then it isn't a sprint set. By the time you finish, it should feel like a holiday dinner with bitterly estranged relatives. Everyone's uncomfortable, everyone's a little sweaty, feel like throwing up, and all you want to do is go home and take a cold shower and wonder when it was that life went wrong. But I digress. Strength training is a vital part of speed training. Now, I'm not saying that the person that can rear squat 500 pounds for a set of 8 to 10 will necessarily be fast. But if your legs have a striking resemblance to a pack of fun-sized Twizzlers, it wouldn't hurt to hit the weights. Strength training will increase your maximum output per rep, or motion, but speed is usually considered more as higher frequency over time. Now let's take the chunjin or forward dash for example. If I can increase my travel distance per rep, I might appear to be fast, but if I can only do that every 2 or 3 seconds, now I'm going to appear to be slow with no agility. Whack. On the other hand, if I can do 2 in 1 second, I could appear fast. Unless every time I did one, I only traveled a short amount of distance. You see, I still appear slow. Needless to say, you need both magnitude and frequency for speed. Your kung fu is no match for my game. As for increasing your turnover rate, you want to hit some agility drills. Now, YouTube has plenty of them to keep you entertained, so have at it. If you have absolutely no idea where to go, I'll give you a few quick suggestions. Ladder drills. Kicking drills. Kicking drills with resistance. Track drills. Footwork drill. Fire drills. Power drills. Windmills. Windowsills. Paying bills. Last but not least, you have to work on stability. You want to make sure that your stabilizing muscles are strong enough to hold the position without your momentum throwing you around to someplace you don't want to go. Like a girlfriend. If your stability is on par with the emotions of a middle school tween, or my finances, it's gonna be lights out, bro. I'm okay. Arise from the ashes. Now, if you're doing all this stuff and your gains aren't coming, You need to either increase the intensity, shorten your break time, or maybe even lengthen your training time. So if anyone can like Venmo me $15 to get a new tripod, that'd be cool. Kicking. This is a kicking.